welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Miriam. Welcome to my DIY channel. Today we're making a FAUX planter. So I started out with this animal cracker container and I am going to spray paint it. Side like so. And I'm going to be using this to spray paint it. How it's looking right now that I'm done and I've glued everything. I left up here because I want up here to just be bland, and now I'm going to be using this flower or leaf or whatever. I got 2 of them from Walmart. In case you guys are wondering, this is the name of it. I already cut this one to the size, so I'm just gonna cut this one as well. I'm gonna use a knife to cut it because it's very strong. My scissors will not be able to cut it. It's thick. So I cut the first one and this is what was left over. I'm gonna actually keep this because I can definitely use this for another DIY project. So I'm gonna cut this to size. So now I'm literally just gonna place one like this in here and then my other one, this, and that's it. This is how it turned out, y'all. I think it came out really cute. I'm actually going to be putting this in the playroom that I'm making over just to give them a little bit of color and some plants in there. You can definitely put this anywhere. Let me know what you guys think of this video and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already done so. Like, comment, and give me some feedback. Thank you guys. Bye.